In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to your OKX wallet. So as you're able to tell, at the moment, our OKX wallet has a balance of 0. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually go ahead and send money to it. So we have a lot of different options that we can go ahead and do. But one of the best methods is to actually buy the cryptocurrency on another centralized exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance or Kraken. And from there, we can actually go ahead and transfer the crypto from those applications onto OKX. And then from OKX, we can basically do whatever we need to do with the cryptocurrency. We can start trading and stuff like that. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and number one, select on the account that you want to add funds to. So this is the wallet that I'm going to send funds to. It is called Wallet A. Now, what we need to do is we need to press on this button over here that does say receive. And from here, you guys need to go ahead and select on what cryptocurrency you actually want to receive on OKX. As you're able to tell, we do have a lot of different options over here. But for this video, we're going to go ahead and work with Bitcoin. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on BTC, just like so. Now, you guys have the option. Just make sure that everything is correct. We have TARP, we have Legacy, Nested, Segwit. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on the first option, just like so. And then it is actually going to give us our Bitcoin wallet address. So what we need to do is we need to press on this button over here that does say copy, because we need to actually copy this wallet address so that we're actually able to add funds. Now, here's one really important thing. Please remember the network. So our network is Taproot. Again, you only want to work with this network. You want to make sure that all the networks line up, because if you're sending crypto and it's not on the same network, then you could potentially lose your crypto. And I really don't want you guys to actually go through that. All right, guys. So now that we got our wallet address, we can go ahead and open up our centralized exchange. Again, for this video, I'm going to be using Coinbase. All right, guys, so here we are in Coinbase, and as you're able to tell, we already do have some crypto on our account. However, if you never used Coinbase before and you don't have any funds or like any crypto on it, here's how you actually go ahead and buy it. I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do it. So you need to go ahead and press on buy and sell. Then you need to go ahead and press on buy. From here, go ahead and select on the cryptocurrency that you're looking to purchase. So for this video, again, we're working with Bitcoin, so I will go ahead and select on that. And then you basically want to go ahead and select on how much of the Bitcoin you actually want to purchase. Now, where it does say pay with, you guys could actually go ahead and change that. So we actually are able to pay with things like our bank account or even our PayPal account as well. You guys could use all of those different methods in order to actually add funds and purchase cryptocurrency on Coinbase. And thankfully, Coinbase does allow you to use your debit or credit card or even your PayPal account. All right, so now you need to make sure that you do have some crypto. So as you're able to tell, we do have Bitcoin over here. So we're going to go ahead and send that over to OKX. So from here, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom and select on this option that does say transfer. Then go ahead and press on this button that does say send crypto. From here, we need to go ahead and just paste it from the clipboard right over here. There you go, and our wallet should appear just like so. And then let's go ahead and select on Bitcoin. So as you're able to tell, it actually does work because it only is letting us send Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and press on that. And from here, we need to go ahead and select on how much Bitcoin we actually want to send onto OKX wallet. And from there, you guys basically just need to confirm the transaction, and then you should be able to go ahead and send that money over to OKX. And then within a couple of minutes, those funds will now be available on OKX wallet, and you guys can go ahead and start trading there as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.